All right, welcome to the Rowserworld caricature art training little class session. I'm Harry. I'm going to be your host for today. For this video, you're just going to need a Crayola and possibly some earmuffs in case one of my kids start screaming because I don't have a soundproof studio. So it is what it is, right? All right, so in this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit about drawing the eye section, okay? Because eyes have feelings to them, and if you don't get the feeling of the eye right and you start shooting at what the eye actually looks like, you're going to miss the mark of your caricature. So what does all that mean? When I'm drawing an eye, this is what I think of. I think of an equal sign. Like in the math, you have a plus, you have an equal. Well, I think of the eye like that first. So I use this shape because it's not committing, it's no commit. What that means is I never draw myself into a corner. Let me show you. So if I'm drawing these eyes, I'm going to put my eyebrows, right? And then I'm going to find the space in between the eyebrow, right? And the eye, okay? And then I'm going to drop my equal sign in there with two light lines. With her, I will go a little bit bigger because she has friendly eyes. Okay, once I have that, I drop my circles inside it to tell me where in the world she's looking at, okay? And then I draw some lighting in the eye. Now, what about the rest of the eye, Rouser? Okay, well, here we go. Watch this. Then I come from the eye and I go down. Oop, oop. Watch. Eyelashes. Okay, eyelashes. You see how I'm forming the eye? It gave me, I'm not in a corner. I can draw the front of the eye now. Front of the eye, right? Little line over the eye, okay? Little nose, right? So what does her nose look like? Something like this. Okay? And then you got that. You see? See how easy that is? So that's much easier. And we're going to do it with a couple of more, just maybe about two more so that you'll get the concept down. All right. So let's just pick some more eyes here. Let's pick these eyes right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and download that image because I'll just go ahead and download two of them. This way we don't have to keep coming back, and then we can use maybe somebody with different eyes. Let me see. Different set. Let's look at somebody with some. What about these? Boom. Okay, and let's download that image. Okay, let's go to my downloads. Okay, and we just did her, I think. So let's go to her and let's look at those eyes. Okay, so how will we do that? Okay, so we're gonna go like this. Here we go. All right, so we got let's go ahead and take this one out the way so we're not all right, so here we go. We got one. We got two, and then we got, watch this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 1, make them light, 2, okay? Pay attention to the space between the eyebrow and the eye. Now, watch, 1, 2, 1, 2. Look what she's looking at. Now, what about the rest of the eye? No problem. So we'll come down here, and then down here. Okay, and then look, we got 1, 2 little eyelashes here, okay, and then we'll come down here, 1, right, and then watch this, 2. Then we'll come over the top, 1 and 2, and let's add our little lighting in there. Okay, so pretty simple, right? That's all you got to do. And for our last one, we'll go here. Whoop. And let's try these eyes here. Now, you might say, oh, those are 3/4 view. No problem. Okay, watch. 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, right? 1, 2. Which way are we looking? Okay. Though, by the way, don't get too literal with these lines. You can just do them like, you can curve them, a little bit if you want. That's not important. As long as you don't close the ends of the eye, that's the main point. Don't close them off. Don't draw yourself into this box. Don't commit to a shape like this. because then there's no way out. Okay, there's no easy way out, right? You get it? All right, now watch. Once I have that, here we go. Watch. We know the eyelash here, and we know the eyelash here. We got the roundness of the eye here, right? Then we come to the middle of the eye, 1, and then we go here, 2. Then we got this, 3, 4. Okay, lighting. Let's add some more lashes. No problem. Okay, and then we'll add this at the bottom. Okay, and then we got our nose shape, which for her, hers is shaped like a kind of long diamond shape like that. Okay, so pretty much, guys, that's how you draw eyes. I hope that you enjoyed the video tutorial, and I also hope that you enjoyed the sound effects of my kids in the background. It gives the video a more authentic feel. All right, so anyway, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Have a blessed and awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.